as an administrator from within the admin portal, you're going to have the capability to search for every user's files, folders, and overall data that's hosted within your FileCloud under miscellaneous federated search. From the federated search tab, you can simply type anything, like for example, FileCloud, in my case, hit search, and the system will bring every result that the search identifies. For example, even if the data is within a file, this is called index search. If I want to search for a document, I'm just going to type document. It proceeds on searching for every single file folder that has the name document within it in every location on the system, including network shares when enabled. Some of the other search capabilities you're going to have is if you select here the arrow, you're going to be able to select the scope of the search, all files, name only, content only, metadata, or PII. Search type, you can select all files and folders, only files, or folders only. The path, you can select every path on the whole system, or you can search for folders on a specified path. The file type that you can select is photos, PDF, text documents, just to filter your search a little bit better. You can select the date range of when you want the search results. Maybe you're looking for data that was uploaded between July 26 till date, right? You can limit your search results to 50 or display all of them to display everything that the search results bringing. As well, you can use cache results for faster search. Now, what are the capabilities you're also going to have as an administrator from the federated search is that when you select the document, you can preview the document to view what the document contains inside of it, or you can download the document. These are the actions that you can accomplish as an admin within federated search.